Hello everyone, welcome back to Little Star Plans channel. My name is Cindy and I'm so happy that you're back here. Today's video we will be discussing about placing an order on Hobonichi website. This video will be slightly longer than usual, but it will definitely contain a very useful information and guide for people who are ordering their first Hobonichi for the first time. Again, don't forget to give this a video thumbs up and subscribe. Keep in mind there are many ways to buy your own Hobonichi, such as other platforms like Amazon Japan or even Japans. There are always perks on buying directly on their websites, such as receiving their freebie pens and their colorful packaging box. It can be scary to place an order online for the very first time, and trust me, it's actually very easy to do, and this video is for those that I will walk through with you step by step on how to place an order, navigating a website, add items to your favorites, place an order, on hold, and lastly, how to check out. First, you want to make sure that you're on the correct website. You can also look it up on Google, type in Hobonichi website. It should be the very first one. So you click on that. It should lead you to this page. If you happen to be on a Japanese website, it's all in Japanese, you can easily switch it over to English like this. On the far top left, you can click on English and Japanese. They do have a hot link to teach you on how to navigate the website, which is right beside the language, navigate the site. You can click on that and feel free to check that on your own. Another useful resource is where to buy. So this is a page where they list out all the authorized retail stores that you can buy their planners from. There is a heart on the far corner, and that is all your favorites. And then next to that is check your cart. And lastly, this is the USD, and that is currency. You can change up your currency based on your preference of currency. Here is a drop-down menu. You can choose yen, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and so forth. Let's take a look at the yellow highlighted hot links. Right here, there's techo, drawer, pouch, and accessories. These are the main product category that they sell. So if you hover your mouse above techo, you get this list of things like the A6 size, A5, weeks, 5-year planner, and a bunch of this series that they collaborate with other artists. So if you were to look for planners, it will be this section, techo. Basically in Japanese means planner. If there's a specific size that you're looking for, click on it and it will redirect you to the right section of this page. So for instance, I would like to buy a Hobonichi techo cousin, so I will click on the second option. It brings me down to that page, and here it says A5 size Hobonichi techo cousin / day free. There is 3 kinds. The original one is the one that comes in the whole year. Avec is when they separate for 6 months. And lastly, day 3 is basically monthly and without weekly and daily pages. Underneath that, there is a button for you to click on purchase book only. So if you're only looking to buy only the books, which they refer books as planners, so planners, then you click on this option, it will bring you directly to the books only. However, if you want to buy a cover, you scroll down a little bit, you will see different kinds of covers that you might like. And the great thing about it is that if you buy the cover and the planner together as a set, you do get a slight discount. Besides, there is a heart that you can click, and that is when you can save it in your favorites. You can always go back and check on these items. So let's click on this item. When you click on the item, you will get more info of how the planner cover looks like. Down below, give you more info about description of the planner cover, quality. Here, we scroll down. Here is more info. So again, it'll give you the information about cover only and the combo of planner and the cover together. And the nice thing about it is it also tells you what size the cover is compatible with. I can add it to my favorite again, or add select item and add to cart. So let's see what happens if we were to add it to our favorites. You click on that, it turns to yellow. I will add it to my cart as well. So when you do select add to cart, it gives you some option. It will like to know what is it that you like to buy. Do you want to buy as a whole set, so planner and cover, and which version that you would like to buy? You can buy the whole year cousin. If you're only interested in buying just the cover, you can just add to cart. But in this situation, I would like to buy just the original, which is the whole year cousin. Add to cart. Here is basically the summary of your cart. Right now, I only have one item. So I'm gonna click on continue shopping for now. I'm gonna add another item just to show you what it looks like. I did add a few items in my favorites list. So what you do is you click on the heart beside the shopping cart. This brings you back to all the list items that you added to your favorites. So let's add a few items to our cart. Again, if there's more than one style, it will give you an option to select. So let's say I want schedule, stencil, and I'll add something else. Let's say I want to add a cover, add cart. Okay, so let's say I am done with shopping. So here I have the unit price, the original price in yen currency, and shipping is about 1 to 10 business days. It is currently available if you want gift wrap. Shipping international is available. If you decide you don't want this item, you can click on delete. So it looks like everything looks right. And here at the bottom left is a subtotal excluding tax. This is how much it is. With sales tax, it's 677. It does include the 10% sales tax. Sub order 7,448 yen. That is about, let me see, yen. So it's about $70 USD. After you're done, you would click on proceed to checkout. Okay, I'm gonna blur out my information. So you need to sign in or create your own account. Here you have your first and last name, shipping address, phone number, which I'll be blur out. If you need to change that, there is a button for you to click on edit or ship to this address. So we're gonna choose ship to this address. It does require credit card, such as Visa, Master, JCB, Amex, or Diners. Click on next. Here again is my summary of the items I have. Grand total is 10,571 yen. So this is including the shipping cost, which is 3,300 yen, and shipping and handling 500 yen. So once you're done, you click on enter credit card. So you choose your credit card information, and I'll choose single payment and click submit. So there you go. I have made a purchase as an example. So you can also click on view order history at the bottom. So let's say there is a cover that you want to buy like in October and that you want to put that item on hold. And at the very top, it says order received, but there's a button there. There's a little blue button. You click on that and you click on proceed to ship and hold. So this will allow you to hold the item up to 70 days after original purchase date, not including the start date hold. So just keep that in mind. So then that way, whenever you want to go proceed to and release the item, you can actually come back and release the item. So we'll hold shipment for later, so you can come back to it. So now the shipping for this order is currently on hold, and to release this order for shipping, you have to press proceed to shipping release. So like this button again. But for me, I'm gonna cancel this item. Okay, I think that's about it. I hope you guys find this video helpful on how to order Hobonichi on their website. It's very easy and not scary to do, but if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave some comments below and I'll help you out if you guys have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!